2011 Nissan Versa. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as pass-through rear seat, power liftgate, brake assist, power outlet, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, power side view mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, front side airbag. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.